Hello and welcome. You will learn what is get paid to watch movies and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, and what about benefits. In this video we are going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Do you want to earn money in your spare time while watching movies? If yes, then you are in the right place, because Movie Review Profits is going to help you out in this matter. We all know that making money is not a piece of cake. You need to work hard to earn a lot of money. More money demands greater hard work, but Movie Review Profits have changed the way people think about making money techniques. Many scam products are available that offer quite a similar service, due to which people hardly believe such stuff. At the same time, some people think that this stuff is not real, because why would someone pay us to watch movies? Well, people have a valid question, but things have changed a lot. There are many legitimate websites available that would pay you for completing a simple task. This website owner claims that it is one of the finest methods available using which you can make a lot of cash. But people usually ask the question that is it worth to buy it? Or it's a scam like many other products? If you have the same questions in your mind, then don't worry, because in this Movie Review Profits review, I'm going to clear all your confusion regarding this product. What is Movie Review Profits? People can predict about the Movie Review Profits program by seeing its name. It is the latest website in the online industry that allows you to earn money by watching movies and delivering reviews regarding those movies to various sites. The concept of watching movies and make money is unique, but it's worth trying because no one will want to miss the chance if it's legal. Another thing that might surprise you about this product is that you don't need to have any skills to start earning from this program. Due to this, even a beginner level person can easily enroll in the program without any hesitation. It offers you training using different methods. On purchasing this product, you may get various audios, videos, and PDF files that can help you in understanding all the stuff. But the owner states that you need to follow all the given instructions to make money. Audios, videos, and PDF files don't contain easy-to-understand information, which even a newcomer can easily understand. However, it's not that much easy thing to do, because this program demands hard work, which most people might not want to give. So if you are a lazy person who doesn't like learning new stuff, then this program is not for you. About Jeff, the creator. The real owner doesn't make an appearance in the sales video. However, some people claim that spokesperson Jeff is the owner of this product. But he didn't claim himself the creator of Movie Review Profits, due to which I can't tell him the owner. Although the product is right, still, it doesn't possess great marketing tactics. People believe that if the owner is not ready to stand for his program, then who will purchase it? This factor present doesn't give good vibes, because the owner is not available to present himself to the interested audience. You can read a lot of other reviews regarding this program. Some reviews are claiming Jeff as the owner, while some are saying that he is just the spokesperson. The product owner creates this confusion by not revealing his identity. He should have disclosed his detail, which might add more trust to the audience. In the program video, Jeff said that he could reveal the techniques by which one can earn money by doing little stuff in your spare time. However, the way he is talking about is 100% legitimate, but it's not that easy as he has said. He also reveals that this program will guide you about various methods of making cash by watching movies. This program focuses on 2 techniques, which I will explain further in the article. Other than this, Jeff stated that you could perform a little task with a few clicks, which I believe is not valid. How does the Movie Review Profit work? As I have previously mentioned that this program provides training about earning money while watching and writing movie reviews. This product offers 2 techniques for writing movie reviews using which you can make a lot of cash, which the website claim. Among the 2 methods, one technique is the direct method, while the other is the indirect way. The direct process guides you about writing reviews for the various movie-related websites. You would write movie reviews for those websites, and they will pay you for your work. Besides this, it also suggests an indirect method by which you can design your site and then compose various reviews on it. Now, if you ask me about the validity of these methods, I would say that it's 100% legal, but it's not that much easy like movie review profits represent. The program also reports that a person can make up to $500 in a week. It might sound quite simple, but it's not. One would have to work very hard to reach the $500 per week level. According to some users who had purchased it said that this program provides beginner-level training on how you can make money, and the method they focus on is affiliate marketing, which is 100% true. I have also taken part in various affiliate marketing activities and have earned a handsome amount of money. Benefits of using movie review profits. Make money online. Making money is not easy, but if you learn the art of doing so, then you may not struggle like most of the other people. This program showcases the ways through which you can make money. Although I can't guarantee you that you will start earning after watching the program videos. Still, I believe that the methods given in the program are legitimate. But after joining and knowing all the instructions by the program, you need to start working because it's the only way you can make some cash. Only after watching audio, video, and PDF training provided by this program, you would not start earning money because it's also demand work. So make sure to work after understanding the guidance given by the program, which would lead toward success. Free to join. Yes, the program is free to join, but to get access to various important things, you need to purchase it. However, many other programs ask you to pay some cash to join them, but that is not the case with the movie review profits, which makes it quite different from other products. You can try the free program, and if it suits you, then you can choose the paid package. The paid pack is also affordable, so it's not a big deal when it comes to pricing. Movie review sales page states that there are numerous jobs present for those people who are interested in writing movie reviews, but it asks you to pay for the members area to get access to those jobs. Make money by watching movies. Now it's up to you whether you want to pay for it or not. If you are only going to purchase it because you want to get access to some online jobs, then I would recommend not to pay, because you can find such jobs on various freelance platforms. But if you want to learn the way to earn money while watching movies, or other affiliate-related stuff, then you can buy it without thinking twice. However, the initial cost that you need to pay to obtain this program is $37, and it also includes an additional $17 monthly fee, which contains additional features. Beginner-friendly. Another thing that makes movie review profits superior to other programs is its beginner-friendly instruction. The training offered by this program is easy to understand due to which people like it the most. Unlike other programs, you don't need to learn some additional skills before starting this program. Whether you are a newcomer or a professional, you can start the training offered by this program, and you would not find any challenge while understanding it. Even if you struggle in some aspects, you can ask the program support to help you in solving the issue. The support is always available to help you in this matter. Money-back guarantee. The money-back policy of this program proves that the program is 100% legitimate, because if it was a scam, then it would not have given any such policy. They offer a 30-day money-back policy, which means that if you don't find the program interesting or at any point you feel that the program is not delivering you the value it promised, then you can ask for a full money back without any second thought. Frequently asked question. Are you having some confusion related to the movie review profits? If that is the case, then don't worry, because I will help you to remove all your uncertainties regarding the product. Is it legal or a scam? As I have previously stated, the product is legal and has provided value to many people. But to see results, you need to worry after taking the complete training, which most people don't do. Some people only complete the training, but when it comes to working, they sit and start saying that the product is not real. No one is going to supply you with free money. So after taking the coaching of making money, try to apply the things that you learned. Movie review profits. How much time will it take for an average person to start making money online after taking this training? There is not any fixed time. Some people might start making money within a week, while some may take months to earn their first dollars. The online earning factors depend on the hard work and technique you are using. If you are working hard and apply the right method, then you will surely start making money within a short period. But if you show laziness and don't follow the instructions given in the program, then it might take you time to gain your first dollar. So make sure to follow the right method and try to work harder. How much I need to pay to join in training? You can join it for free, but to get access to advanced training you need to pay some cash. The starting price of this program is around $37. While it also features a $17 monthly fee, which I believe is quite affordable. Pros. You can ask for a refund within 30 days if you don't find the program worthy. Movie Review Profits is suitable for both newcomers and professionals. The price of this program is quite lower in comparison to others. This program comes in a variety of training formats. It helps you to about the ways to earn money. Cons. Some material might be outdated for professionals. This product only provides online training. The owner doesn't reveal his identity. Conclusion. If you desired to make money online, then you can try the Movie Review Profits. It is a legal program that contains some audio, video, and PDF training. All the formats provide various methods by which you can make money online. Although there is no physical training available, so you can only take the training online, which is fine. It features methods following which you can gain a handsome amount of cash by watching movies in your free time. The program also reveals the method through which you can write reviews for movies and get paid for that. So I believe that Movie Review Profits is something that you must try in case you are interested in earning money online. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get paid to watch movies today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let us know by leaving a comment below right now.